Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone software and intent. Remove the camera from home screen or fully disable it using screen time. Press and hold the camera icon until quick actions appear. This is the fastest way to begin. If you see Remove App, tap it to proceed. If not, you'll switch to screen time next. Once done with this first step, make sure you remember your screen time passcode or Apple ID because you'll need it to reverse the change. If the long press offered Remove App, choose that option and decide to remove from home screen or delete. If you can't delete, open Settings, then Screen Time, enable content and privacy restrictions, and tap Allowed Apps. Turn off camera to hide and disable access in a way that's reversible. Make sure to explain to yourself why you chose Hide versus Delete. Hiding preserves app data and is safer for parental controls or temporary needs. To finish, verify the camera is gone from home screen or disabled in apps that use it. To restore, either re-download if deletion permitted or re-enable camera in screen time. If the camera still appears, restart your iPhone and recheck settings. This often resolves caching issues. If you can't change screen time because you forgot the passcode, use your Apple ID recovery path or perform a device restore with Finder or iTunes. Be careful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.